All right, I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video directly into an assignment so it shows up. I'm going to click here. That's where I want the video to show up. I'm going to go to Insert Content, Image Media, and I'm going to go from the web, not an image, I want media. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. This is the video I made earlier. So I am going to get the shareable link for it. If you were just searching on YouTube, you would just copy and paste the link. I'm going to go back here and I am going to paste the link that I just copied. And I'm going to click Insert Media. Now, here's where you need to not get scared, okay? At first, it looks like this orange box with this tiny little piece of paper looking thing in the middle, okay? And it doesn't look like it worked, okay? Don't be frustrated. Click Save Changes. And when you look at the assignment, there it is. Here's exactly what I wanted to upload. And now students can click on this and watch the video directly in here, okay, without needing to leave Schoology.